out there, and I want you to dress him like a baby, and then he's going to come back in the courtroom.
That's right, it's our baby. It's our baby. Baby Tony.
And he's going to come back in the courtroom and the baby outfit and hand this woman $400 like the baby's been. So take him on out and get him dressed. Big Sugar Ray, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, bring him in so you can pay Miss James the $400, okay?
Bring him on in.
All right, turn around, Miss James. He's going to pay you the $400. Come on in, Mr. Clark. All right, Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark, get over here and pay the $400. No, Mr. Clark, pay the $400.
Here. 50. 150. 200. 50, 300, 350, 400.
All right, your debt's paid.
I hope you're happy.
Mr. Clark, your debt's paid. You can take him out, Mr. Sugar Ray. His debt's paid. It's saved. You got your money. All right, that's justice then. Thank you.
The verdict was in my favor, and I am so happy. Actually, it was the extreme. If he's going to act like a baby, he might as well dress like a baby. And I think that justice was served today.
Today's second case dealt whether or not a gift can be considered a contract. In order for there to be a valid contract, there has to be what's called consideration, which means both parties have to agree to do something. If someone has violated a contract with you, don't get revenge. Bring them to my court.
Attention, users of